If you have videos on your channel with the year 2023 or any other year in the title, and you want to update all of them to the current year without going one by one to change the titles and description to the next year, you can do that with a simple tool from Tubebuddy called Find and Replace. Here's how to use it. First, download the extension if you don't have it yet. I will add an explanation at the end of this video on how to get Tubebuddy, and you can find the link to their website in the description. After you've got the extension, go to your YouTube studio where you manage all your videos. You can find the studio on the right top icon. Once you're in the YouTube studio, go to the Content tab and click on the new button you got with this Tubebuddy extension. Find the tool Find and Replace. The first option should be on Find and Replace, but you have other options to replace text in the title and description in bulk. You can watch the video in the description for an in-depth tutorial on all the other options. Now add the number of the year you want to change and add the year you want to change it to. If you want to change the title and description or only the title, check the right box for your situation. Next, click on Continue. Now it will ask you how to find a video on your channel. If you want to find them based on the year number, then leave the first option. If you want to search in different ways, then click on one of the other options. Next, it will scan your channel to find the videos that have the year you want to change, and the tool will give you the full list. You can choose which video you want to change and which not, or you can select all of them. Then click on Continue and it will start the process of changing the year on all of your older content. Now your channel is up to date. If you don't have Tubebuddy yet, here's how you get it. Go to their website and click on Download Extension. The link is in the description. Then in the new window with the extension, click on Get. Then you are back to the Tubebuddy website. Sign in with your Gmail account, and when you are in the dashboard, add your channel. This is for the free version of the extension that gives you lots of tools for your YouTube channel for free. But the tool that helps you find and replace is in their Legend subscription. So after you get into your dashboard, find the channel you want to upgrade, click on Upgrade, and then you get into the pricing page. Pick the Legend and get the subscription. Now you can use the Find and Replace. Watch this video next and subscribe and like this video.